Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you see INFINIX logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding volume up. After you see this XOS screen and the message no command, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. In this menu, use volume keys to navigate to the 7th option, wipe cache partition, then select it with power key, and then confirm it by selecting yes. And after you see message cache wipe complete, you can restart your device by selecting option reboot system now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.